Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the fiber connection and reducing variables. Check the ONT or fiber jack light. If it's not steady, power cycle the ONT. Next, unplug Google Fiber router and ONT for 30 seconds, then wait a full minute before powering on the ONT first, then the router. This clears transient firmware and sync issues. Once done, connect a laptop via Ethernet to bypass Wi-Fi for diagnostics, so you can log into the router interface and verify WAN status immediately. With wired access, open the router admin panel to inspect WAN, DNS, and DHCP leases. Make changes deliberately and save one at a time. Then scan for wireless interference. Use a Wi-Fi analyzer on your phone or laptop to identify congested channels and switch the two. 4 and 5 GHz channels accordingly and set channel widths to match device needs. Also check for nearby electronics or baby monitors causing noise. Reposition the router higher and central, and disable legacy B/G if not required. Finish by ensuring router firmware is current, download and apply updates through the admin page, then reboot to settle settings. If problems persist, perform a factory reset, then reconfigure your SSID, password, and WPA2 or WPA3 security. This removes misconfigurations. Finally, test with multiple devices and wired speed tests. Troubleshooting tip: if you still see instability after all steps, swap in a different router to isolate a hardware fault. Contact Google Fiber support with serial and test results only when you've gathered logs and speeds.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.